Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn a new rule in phonics, that is the hard and the soft sound of C and G. Letter C has two sounds, hard sound and the soft sound. Whenever letter C is followed by A, O or U, we use the hard sound of C, that is K. And whenever the letter C is followed by E, I or Y, we use the soft sound of letter C, that is S. Here are the examples of the word. Now the first word is car. Now here, since the second letter is A, we use K sound. So car. Thus, whenever letter C is followed by A, O or U, we use the hard sound of C, that is K. Whenever letter C is followed by E, I or Y, we use the soft sound of the letter C, that is S. Let us see the examples. The first one is ice. Letter E is there after letter C, and so we use here S sound, that is ice. Let us see the another example, city. Now here letter I is there after the letter C, and so we use the soft sound, that is S. So whenever C is followed by E, I or Y, we use the soft sound of letter C, that is S. Letter G. Letter G also has two sounds, hard sound and the soft sound. So whenever letter G is there and if it is followed by A, O or U, we use the hard sound, that is G. Let us see the examples. Gas. Now here A is followed after the letter G, and so we use K sound. So these are the examples of the letters, and there are more search words where we use the sound of letter G as K if it is followed by the letters A, O or U. Now, whenever letter G is followed by E, I or Y, we use the soft sound of the letter G, that is J. Let us see the examples. J, E, L, gel. Now here letter E is followed after G. So the soft sound of G is J. So we say J, E, L, gel. Ch, eh, m, gem. So whenever letter I, E or Y is followed after the letter G, we use the J sound. These are the examples like page, cage, gentle, giant, etc. But there are some exceptionals. We call them as rule breakers. They don't follow the rule of the soft G. Now we had seen that the sound of soft G is J. If the letter G is followed by I, E or Y, we use the soft sound, that is J. But here in the first example, if the first word, if you see, letter G is followed by E. But we don't say this as jet. We pronounce this word as a get. So these are some exceptional which do not follow the soft G rule. So you can explain these words to students and you can take a lot of practice so that they know when to use the hard and a soft sound of the letters C and G. I hope you have understood. Thank you.